This is one of my very early driving films, and shot on the 20th of September 2012. It's a bit shaky as I just rested my digicam on the dashboard. This is Hemingbrough in North Yorkshire. I believe the bread bin is called Mama Brown's today. This is Main Street. I will take this right onto Water Lane. It will take me to the A63. Though going straight on also joins that road. The next left is Manor Close. Where the grey Jag is emerging, is Back Lane. It sure is a wet old day, not good for filming really. Ahead is the A63, also known as Hull Road. Left is for Selby or York. Right Howden or Hull, also the M62. Straight over is Hag Lane. The village of Hemingbrough is a civil parish in the Selby district of North Yorkshire. According to the 2011 census, it has a population of around 2,000. It is located approximately 5 miles or 8 kilometers from Selby, and 4 miles or 6.4 kilometers from Howden. The next right is School Road, which will take you back into the village and Main Street. I'll speed up the video, there isn't much to see. The next left is for North Duffield, along Woodhall Lane. On the right is the entrance to Brackenhome Business Park. As I cross the River Derwent over this bridge, I am entering the East Riding of Yorkshire. The next couple of rights are for Yorkshire Water's Loftsome Bridge water treatment works. This next left is for Wressle. Wressle is 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers. You can also get to Brighton and Bubwith along this road. I'll speed the video a little bit. The next right is for Fogathorpe and Brind, along Wood Lane. This road is now named Station Road. Now entering Wressle. Wressle is a village and civil parish in the East Riding of Yorkshire. Lying on the eastern bank of the River Derwent and approximately 3 miles or 5 kilometers northwest of Howden. According to the 2011 census, it has a population of about 270. The next left, by the bench, is for St. John's, the village's late 18th century church. Here are a couple of photos I took of it. On the western fringe of the village is Wressle Castle. Here's a photo of it I took. It is a Grade 1 listed structure and scheduled monument. At the crossing is Wressle railway station. Here are some snaps of that too. This is the line to Selby, and is 25 miles or 40 kilometers west of Hull Paragon. It was opened July 2, 1840 and was listed for closure under the 1963 Beeching Report, but remained open to avoid local hardship. The station became unstaffed in 1976. This is my journey's end. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Cheerio.